Good morning, class 8. So again we are having another online class of the same chapter, that is network. Continuing with the same chapter, the last chapter of your subject. Already I have explained you about the networking, what are the types of network, what are the different uses of network, what type of things we use to connect a computer, internet to a computer. All these I have explained in your previous video. Okay, and girls, in few days you will get information to submit your copies, so please start completing your work because already we are at the end of this chapter. So one few lectures are there and I will finish with this chapter and I will give you the question answer of this chapter. So please try to complete all this so that before submission your copies you have completed your work. And activities, girls, please pay attention of to all the activities which are given to you, because it is very important to attend all the activities because you are getting marks on that. Okay, so it is very important to attend all the activities. Clear? Now moving back to our chapter, we were going through the terms which are used to connect an internet network. Okay, already I explained some few points are ISP, IP address, all these I have explained to you. All this I have explained to you. I explained you the intrant, URL, all this I have explained to you. Now I am moving back to some other points which are left for the terms, that is DNS, modem, gateway, hyperlink and hypertext. Okay, these are the points. Okay, so these are the some points which I will explain you today, that is DNS, modem, gateway, hyperlink and hypertext. DNS. The full form of DNS is Domains Name System. This is used to change the domain name, or it used to transfer the communication between the user and the client or server. Okay, communication between each other. Okay, it can transfer the address of the particular computer. Well, transfer the communication between the address of that particular computer, which computer we are using. Okay, a domain name can be updated between 12 hours to 72 hours. Can be updated between the 12 hours to 72 hours. Domain name. And it is mainly, it translates the internet domains and host name of the IP address of a particular computer. I already told you what is IP address, that is internet protocol. The name of that particular computer. See, each and every person having a particular name. Okay, so computer also having a name, and the name is IP address. Okay, and that we can be transferred. Can be. So, DNS is used to translate the information, transfer the information to the client or to the server. Okay, the domain name, the particular name which will transfer to the IP address. Okay, and for updating any domain name, it takes 12 hours to 72 hours. Coming back to the modular. The full form of modem is modular and demodulator. Modulator and demodulator. It is the medium to connect the internet through the computer. It can be in a form of any small box type, it is externally connected to the computer, or it can be shape of a dongle. Dongle means, have you seen a pen drive? It is shaped like a pen drive, but in that we can use a SIM of any company and we can connect that with that help of that medium we can connect the internet. Okay, modem. The full form of modem is modular and demodulator. It is the medium to connect any internet through your computer or your laptop. Okay, In the case of transmission over a analog telephone line, first in the earlier days, what happens that there was a small box which was connected with the cables. Two cables were there. One cable was connected to the computer, and other cable is connected to the landline, the telephone. Earlier days. Nowadays, dongles are there. Connectivity is easy because only you have to use that pen drive, shaped like a pen drive, and you have to attach that to your laptop or computer, and by that you can use your internet. Okay, Wi-Fi's also are there to connect your internet. Okay, so and it is measured in BPS, that is full form of BPS is bit per second. The measurement of modem, the speed of the modem is measured in BPS, that is bit per second. And it translates the digital to analog. Sorry, analog to digital. Sorry, it converts the analog to digital. Next comes the gateway. Gateway is a data communication device that provides a remote network connectivity to a host network. Host network means the main network from where the connections are going. Okay, it is used to communicate between the host network to other networks. Okay, the host network means the medium from where the internets are transferred from one computer to another computer. Okay, the gateway is doing the same thing. It is where the data communicating between the host network to the client network. Okay, clear? The gateway is also associated with both the router, which can be header, and the forwarding tables to determine where the packets are sent. Okay, so it is the both which header, where to send it and from where to receive it. Both the things it is doing, and where to send the information, from where to receive the information. Okay. Next comes the hyperlink. Hyperlink is that a link from one page to another page, automatically the client can move, or the user can move from one page to another page. Okay, we have seen the web pages. There are some blue things are written in that, and if you go to that particular thing, you will say that a state turns to hand, and as you click to that, it will move to your another page. Okay, it is a source page. Okay, from one page to you are open with the main page. Okay, and from where that link is there, and you click to that link and you move to the another page. Okay, the link which is the pages which connected with one page to another page. One page is connected to one to more pages. Okay, that is called the hyperlink. A hyperlink is a word, phrase or image. It can be a phrase, it can be a word, it can be an image. If you click to that image also, you will get the information of that image. If you click to the phrase, what is the meaning of the phrase, you will get from where it has been written, who has written that phrase, all the information of that phrase you will get. Okay. Or word, particular word, if you want to know the important meaning of that word, you click to that word and you get the information about that particular word. Okay. Next, the hyperlink are found in nearly all web pages. In that web page you can get that hyperlink in each and every, whatever web page you will open, you will get one hyperlink. One or more hyperlinks will be there to search more information about that thing. Okay. And hypertext is the text that link to the other informations, the particular word. By clicking on a link in a hypertext documents, you will open to the other type of documents or by type of contents. If the documents are written and you click to that document, it means you are clicking to the hypertext. Okay, as you click to that document, you will open a new contents. You will get that particular contents of that document. Clear? So this was hypertext, and hyperlink is a link from one page to another page, and hypertext we are using that a particular document link which when you click to that document a new content will appear about that document. Clear? And last was bandwidth. Bandwidth means that the rate of transferring the information to a particular computer or a website or an internet, okay, and in a particular time limit. Okay, when your information is transferred from your computer to another computer with a time limit. For example, like, and how speedily, what will be the speed, how the speed was there, that how fast it is transferring the information. Okay, like in a pipe, when the flow of that water is fast, then the force will be fast and the water will reach soon to the different places. Same here, and if the flow is slow, then it will take time to supply the water. Same thing, if the speed is fast, then information will be transferred soon as possible. But if the speed is slow, then the information will go slowly to the different part of the computer. Okay. So today I stop here. We will move to another topic on the next day, that is protocol. We will explain that point. So please go through this video carefully, and if you are having any queries, please comment on the comment box, and stay home. Thank you.